DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Governor REMAIN wins at the Supreme Court as Hushpuppi implicates Abba Kyari. On the 10th of October 2020, the people of Ondo State came out en masse to vote, and REMAIN, a senior advocate of Nigeria, was declared as the winner on the 11th of October 2020. But his opponent, Eyitayo Jegede, and the People's Democratic Party refused to accept their defeat and decided to drag the case to court. And the case received its final hearing on the 28th of July 2021 at the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is said to have dismissed the appeal by Eyitayo Jegede and the People's Democratic Party on the grounds of incompetence. The All Progressive Congress has hailed the judgment of the Supreme Court. In a statement by Senator John James Akpanu-Doedehe, who is the National Secretary of the Caretaker Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee of the APC, he said that Governor Akeredolu administration is now positioned to redouble the tempo of quality service delivery and to also consolidate its great strides in the critical areas of healthcare delivery, education, security, youth empowerment, infrastructure development, and industrialization. Furthermore, he said that many residents of Ondo State have said that Governor REMAIN has finally turned Ondo State into an ever-busy construction site. He said this is true for a man who is truly passionate about the development of the independent-minded, enlightened, and progressive people and the state at large. He also said that Governor Akeredolu has followed up his people's-oriented policies with other developmental initiatives, which is returning Ondo State to its deserved status and consolidating on the landmark and progressive legacies of late Chief Michael Adekunle Ajasi, who was the first civilian governor of Ondo State. He also went ahead to rejoice with Governor REMAIN, stating that the mandate that was given to him by the Ondo State people have once again been reconfirmed by the Supreme Court, also stating that Akeredolu will take Ondo State to greater heights. But the People's Democratic Party has argued that the appeal they brought against Akeredolu's election as a governor of Ondo State has merit and that the Supreme Court was just being partial in its judgment. In a statement by Kola Olobodiyan, who is the National Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, he said that the majority judgment as presented by the Supreme Court did not address the impunity in the action of the Yobe governor, who is Mai Mala Buni, in functioning as a chairman of the All Progressive Congress, while at the same time was holding the office as a sitting governor, contrary to the provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Section 183, as amended 1999, as well as the Constitution of the All Progressive Congress. Also, in their statement, they said that the fact that 3 justices out of the 7-man panel upheld our position on the illegality of Akeredolu's nomination confirms that his candidacy is cancerous and a bizarre violation of the 1999 Constitution as amended, as well as the Constitution of the All Progressive Congress. It is noteworthy that the judgment did not disagree with our position that Mai Mala Buni, as governor of Yobe State, cannot function as national chairman of a political party and nominate a candidate for election to the Independent National Electoral Commission. Going further, Mr. Kola in the statement also noted that while the People's Democratic Party restates its utmost respect for the institution of the judiciary, especially the Supreme Court, the People's Democratic Party had expected that the Apex Court would stand up as the conscience of the nation by stopping the absurdity and impunities being entrained in the political firmament by the All Progressive Congress. He also said that the quest for a legal pronouncement that would guide the sanctity of our electoral system was the reason the People's Democratic Party had explored our point of grievance legally to the highest court in the land in the interest of the nation and not just because of our candidate Eyitayo Jegede. He also appealed to the members of the People's Democratic Party in Ondo State and in the country at large not to allow the development make them lose hope He called on them to be law-abiding and to remain calm in the general interest of the party and the nation at large, reassuring them that come 2023, the People's Democratic Party will take over the helm of affairs of the country and will set the record straight. Meanwhile, Nigeria's popular celebrity Ramon Abbas, also known as Hushpuppi, has pleaded guilty to a U.S. court on the two-count charges of conspiracy to engage in money laundering. Aside agreeing to conspiracy to engage in money laundering, Hushpuppi also agreed in the document that he will not contest the facts agreed upon in the document. I will also abide by all agreements regarding sentencing according to the agreement in the document. He also agreed that all court appearances, including his change of plea hearing and sentencing hearing, could proceed by video teleconference (VTC) or telephone if the VTC was not reasonably available, as long as such appearances are authorized by the order of the Chief Judge 20043 or another order, rule, or statute. By agreeing to these charges, Hushpuppi could face up to 20 years imprisonment in the United States of America, as the maximum sentence the court can impose according to Title 18 United States Code Section 1956H as charged for the information. Also, a 3-year period of supervised release, a fine of $500,000 or twice the gross gain or gross loss resulting from the offense which he committed, whichever is the greatest, and the mandatory special assessment of $100. Hushpuppi has also agreed that the court could order restitution to any victim of his offense. But in a twist to the story, Hushpuppi has implicated Nigerian super policeman Abba Kyari, and this has made the United States to release a warranty for arrest for Abba Kyari and all those who helped Raymond, also known as Hushpuppi, in the wire fraud operation. Hushpuppi had alleged that he gave Abba Kyari the sum of $1 million to help him arrest his fellow associate Kelly Chibuzo Vincent in Nigeria. But Abba Kyari took to his Facebook page to say that he knows nothing about the $1 million fraud allegation that Hushpuppi is implicating him in. Abba Kyari is a deputy commissioner of police from Borno State, northeast Nigeria, a graduate of geography before joining the police force as a cadet assistant superintendent of police in the year 2000 and leading a team of police officers to arrest a notorious armed robber known as Ndigi, also called Spirit, made him very popular in Nigeria. He quickly rose in rank and became the officer in charge of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad, also known as SARS, which fought against violent crimes of armed robbery, car theft, kidnapping, gang clashes, sea piracy, and terrorism. But he became notorious for his brutality, which led to the October 2020 End SARS protests. Despite the fact that Abba Kyari is denying the allegation leveled against him by Hushpuppi to have collected money to arrest his associate Vincent, the U.S. court said that in a document revealed that Vincent was arrested by Abba Kyari, and Kyari also sent pictures of Vincent in prison and also his bank account details for Hushpuppi to pay money into. But Abba Kyari is saying he knows nothing about the money. Truly, Hushpuppi contacted him, but he said it was on professional basis because Vincent had issued a death threat against the Instagram celebrity, and Abba Kyari said he later released Vincent after investigation revealed that Mr. Vincent was innocent. It is most likely from implications from Hushpuppi that Abba Kyari may be arrested based on Hushpuppi's implicating statement against him. So guys, there you have it. PDP says that the Supreme Court's judgment declaring Akeredolu as the winner of Ondo State election lacks merit and it was a biased judgment. And Hushpuppi is saying that Abba Kyari was part of his wire fraud. What are your thoughts and opinions concerning these issues we just brought to you? Drop your comments in the comment section below. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.